down the shed. So here behind me I have 2 targets. So we'll zoom in on them and have a look at what they are. So at the moment what you can see at the front is a swinging self-resetting target. So we'll take a closer look at these in a moment. So on the right we've got some sort of ground target that you just shoot and it either teams or it will knock it over depending on the power of your weapon and range. But it's got 4 little legs that move. On behind the actual target, paper target, you can see a pellet target trap. So that will give you a safe shooting area. But you need a big fence behind it as well, really, or a clear range so it's safe to shoot. Always shoot only if the direction of fire is safe, obviously. And on the left you can just about see a homemade target with a Firebird AR-40 banger. Okay, so a loud bang is always fun. Right, so we're at 6 yards, we're standing, unsupported. In it. Right, so the scope's well out now. So that's the Firebird AR-40s. And we'll go for that reset. And that's how that one works. So the paper target is going to be quite obvious, and this is by fire high. We should hit the target because this is way out of adjustment. That wasn't too bad. I was firing at the blue ring, so it's a bit low still. So I've made some adjustments. I'll just fire 1 round off at the reset target, see if we can hit it. There we go, that's a bit better. So that's the self-resetting and AR-40 reactive targets. So as you can see, I've got some homemade ones with the AR-40 target holders in them. So you can have 2 or 3 of those. The homemade ones have a slot. Let's get the zoom out. Slot cut in the top of them. You can just put a piece of card or a target in there. I've drilled a hole in the front so you can something to shoot at. So homemade with the AR-40 target holders. We've got the self-resetting, that was about 14 quid in Mole Valley, what used to be Scats. We've then got, I don't know, these are about 15 or 20 quid. So these are your pellet traps, so there's all the crap. It's got a thing on the back so you can sit it at angles. No, sit it at one angle. So basically it will stand up or you can hang it. And the last one is this little guy. So when you shoot this, little fella, it'll basically just do that every time. And you can just shoot it around the garden basically. Like so. But there are other targets available. Okay, so here's some Jack Pike spinner targets available from Mole Valley. There's one close up and one in situ. There we go, so just hit them and they spin, hit them and they spin. Here's a duck shoot gallery, about 40 quid, pay no more. They're cracking little things, several variants available. There we go, they stick down to magnets and the little reset circle there pops them up again. They do eventually weaken and break off those little twists you can see, and there's one that's been shot at quite a bit, and they will eventually twist off. You can see the circle there is breaking already, bent over. So, but they're good for the money and for how long they last. And there's a fun version of zombies. But yeah, they're cracking little bits of kit if you can get one. eBay I'd suggest. Homemade spoon target, not mine. Google image again, but spoon on hinges, hit it and it'll just, you know, flick up and spin back. And various animal targets that you can get. So shoot the little dot in the middle, I guess, and then reset it. I was thinking that's possibly a paper target. Just more pictures. These are all Google images. There we go, some in the field. And this one's called the Nutcracker. I mean, really, do I need to say any more? These targets speak for themselves, I think. So we all know what these can do. There is a party popper target shooter. So you can get little orange replacement stickers, and you can get these brilliant reactive ones, come on sheets like this. Just stick them over your target or whatever, and they spot yellow when you hit them. So happy hunting, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in more soon.